like if you're having a problem with Snagit when you capture something and it looks like this, like washed out, I'll show you how to fix it. So 2 years of dealing with this kind of issue. It's like you can't actually use Snagit properly. You kind of just use snipping tool, and that is pretty brutal. If you know about alternatives, then snipping tool is brutal. But if you don't, snipping tool is great. But there are wonderful alternatives out there. So here's how I fixed this washed out look for Snagit captures. I went to File, Capture Preferences, and under here, what did it for me was not unchecking support HDR colors, but it was hide Snagit during capture. So when I do this, if I do it, it's a good test actually. Of course, it's not doing it now, but there we go. So you have to enable HDR and hide Snagit, and then it gives it this washed out look, right? We're going to compare this to going back into it, this, and hide. Okay. So you can see the difference between how washed out, like just by doing that. I thought that unchecking the support HDR would do it, but for me it was about hiding also that that part, which is hide Snagit during capture, because I guess it has to do something to remove something to do something, right? So hopefully that helped you if you have this specific issue or error with having snapshots or screenshots taken with Snagit that's kind of washing it out, like they increase the brightness on the TV, and you're like, something doesn't look right. If you did find this helpful or useful, please leave a comment down below. And if you guys have any ideas for videos for the next time, please leave a comment below. And thanks so much. See ya.